Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is compare and contrast the process of nutrition in plants and animals. So the first one is nutrition. Nutrition is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in food, e.g. phytonutrients and macronutrients. In relation to maintenance, growth, reproductive health, and disease of organisms. It includes food intake, absorption, assimilation, biostasis, catabolism, and excretion. Mode of nutrition. There are two types. Autotrophic nutrition. Organisms that prepare their own food are called autotrophs. Plants. Heterotrophic nutrition. Organisms which depend on the other organism for food are called heterotrophs. Are human beings. Types of nutrition. Nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. Plant nutrition. It is the study of chemical elements and compounds that necessarily for plant growth and also of their external supply and external metabolism. In 1972, Einstein defined two criteria for an element to be essential for plant growth. It is absent that plant is usable to complete a normal life cycle, or that the element is part of some essential plant constitute or metabolic. There are the mode of nutrition plus. First, we have the two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. From the autotrophic, there are two kinds. There are two, photo and chemo. For the photo, we have three autotrophic, all green plants, purple, red, and green bacteria. From chemo is nitrifying bacteria, iron bacteria, sulfur bacteria. And from heterotrophic heterotrophic again, there are four types. Parasitic, and the parasitic there are two kinds. Total. For the total is stem, root, pustule, or orobunch. And for the partial stem, visual luranthus, and the root, Santallium. And from the Satrorhoptic, Monotropa, Neotilia, Argillus, Rhizopus, and Symbiotic, Lintia, Root Nodule, Microrhiza. And the last one in Insectivorous, Drosera utricularin, Nepenthes dionea. Photosynthesis. It is the process by which plants prepare food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The food prepared is carbohydrate, which is stored in the form of starch. Oxygen is released during this process. Equation of photosynthesis: sunlight, HCO2 plus 12H20 is equals to less less than 6 C6H12 1206 plus 6H20 plus 6O2 conchoroply 6 CO2 plus 6H20 less than C6H 1206 plus 6O2 6CO plus 6H20 greater than C6H 2000 ay 1206 plus 6O2. What is hypothesis? So this is the hypothesis that as you can see. So we see the from water that go into to the to here, and water belong to here and go to the carbon dioxide, and the cost of light or energy lost on from the oxygen. That's process of photosynthesis. Phot- Photosynthesis mainly take place in three steps: absorbing of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting up of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, reducing of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrate. Animal nutrition. Animal nutrition, the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. Animals get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Plant nutrition includes nutrient requirements, mode of taking food, and its utilization in the body. Digestion, the process by which complex food substances are broken down into sleeper substances is called digestion. Two different ways of taking food. First, we got the name of animal: snail, ant, eagle, hummingbird, lice, monarch, butterflies, housefly. And their kind of food: grass, insect, fresh nectar, blood nectar, decaying matter. Mode of feeding: crowing, scraping, swallowing, snacking, and browning. Nutrition in Amoebia. Holotropic nutrition in Amoebia. Number one, Amoebia since food. Number two, pedopodia surround the food. Number three, the food is enclosed in the food vacuole. Food plus water. Number four, enzymes from the cytoplasm are secreted into the food vacuole. Number five, food is digested and subdued material are absorbing and assimilated. Number six, digested waste into expelled. Amoebia is an unicellular animal living in water. It is take food in forming a finger-like projection called pseudopodia and form a food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, that food is digested and absorbed. The undigested food is then sent out to the surface of the cell. Nu- Nutrition in human being. Nutrition in human being takes place in the digestive system. It consists of the alimentary canal and gland, which produce enzymes which break down food into smaller molecules. The main organ of the digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The main glands are salivary gland, gastric gland, liver, partial, and intestinal gland. So this is the nutrition in human being. So are part of the body. As you can see, this is the nutrition of human being that we are eating. What happened to food after you eat it? In the mouth, the food is broken into smaller particles by the teeth and mixed with savilla from the salivary gland. Savilla contain the enzyme salivary amylase, which converts fat into sugar. Then the food passes to the esophagus. In stomach, the gastric gland produces gastric juice, which contain the enzyme pepsin HCl and molecules penicillin break down protein. Hydrogen calcium make the medium acidic and help in the action of pepsin. Mucus protect the water of the stomach from the action of the acid. Then the food passes into the small intestine. In the upper part of the small intestine, duodenum, the food is mixed with the bile from liver and pancreatic juice. On the pancreatic bile break down fats into globules. Pancreatic juice that into trypsin and lipase. Trypsin break down proteins and lipase break down fats. In the small intestine, the wall of the small intestine produces essential juice. The enzyme of the inertial juice convert carbohydrate into glucose, fat into fatty acid, and the glycerol and protein into amino acid. The wall of the small intestine have several finger-like protection called levy, having blood vessels that the digestive food is absorbed by the blood, and the undigested food passes to the large intestine. In the large intestine, water is absorbed and the waste material is removed through the anus. Thank you. So that's all.